outside here at the 18th party. What brings you out tonight? I've watched the Emmys every single year, and I've been waiting for this party. I'm just really excited about it. I'm here with my friend, and I watch so many TV shows with my mom all the time, so we're really into all of them. I'm excited Jane Lynch won. Yeah, who are some of your favorite nominees? Yeah, Jane Lynch for sure is one of my favorites. She was just on iCarly, and she's just so professional and cool, and I was really excited for her tonight. Absolutely. Now, I know there's a Neutrogena Beauty Bar inside, and you've been working with them recently on the Work for Change campaign. Tell me a little bit about that. It's really exciting. I love getting to work with Neutrogena. I love their products. I've been using them ever since I was really little, and it's awesome getting to be a part of their whole campaign, and I think they support a lot of really great causes, and I love all their products. And for those who don't know, what is the Way for Change campaign? Yeah, the Way for Change campaign is Neutrogena decided to try to raise $200,000 to donate to the environment, to disaster relief, and also to education. And then people went online and they actually voted and they got to pick which cause they cared about the most. And they got to donate money by buying Neutrogena products. $1 from all the products went to this campaign. So it's really cool. It's a great cause. Absolutely. And you look wonderful tonight. Oh, thank you. How do you sort of get yourself ready for an event like this? What goes into the making? Well, in real life, I just try to be casual. I have a lot of jeans and just simple t-shirts. So I love getting to come to events like this because it's really fun to get to dress up, and I love this dress. It doesn't take too long, maybe an hour to get ready. And what are you wearing tonight? Marquesa? Absolutely. Yeah. Can we just get a beauty shot real quick? Sure. Perfect. Yeah, thank you.